To weather now and a look outside in Grand Haven at our Snug Harbor Tower camera. Cloudy and cool today, but so far it's dry. I suspect that may be changing. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist George Lessons with all the details. Hi, George.
Yeah, on and off rain this weekend. Today was just a preview. A lot of that rain was from Grand Rapids to the east, and we're going to have our moments where we'll see some showers this weekend. Right now, outside, cloudy skies, not as bright as it's been, but temperatures about the same as they were yesterday, within a degree or two. To the north and west, where there's been a lot of sun, it's in the low and mid 60s, Fremont and Muskegon, but you can see the light rain from about Ionia to Kalamazoo, where we said it would be, to the east, and temperatures there are only in the 50s, and we're 57 currently in Grand Rapids. So depending on where you are, it's a little bit warmer or a little bit cooler. We're 5 degrees cooler compared to yesterday at this time. A lot of light rain in the area, not just enough to wet the ground, but the heavier rain is off to the east and southeast, and for the most part, that will end this evening as that first of two low pressure systems moves out of the region. So we're going to get a break tonight and tomorrow morning. You may be able to dodge the showers this evening and tomorrow morning, but that cold front back to the west is going to bring in more rain starting Saturday afternoon all the way through next Tuesday. Right now we're at 57 in Grand Rapids. We may get up close to 60 here again tomorrow, but wow, wait until Monday. You'll want to stay tuned for that forecast coming up here in just a few minutes.
And George is out on the weather deck now with a look at our all-important weekend forecast. Hi, George.
Everybody is hoping that we've got a great weekend in store, and you can keep on hoping.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Although, you know, the whole weekend won't be a washout. We'll be able to dodge the raindrops from time to time. So far, we've dodged them out here on the weather deck at Kirk. Most of the rain has been just to the east and south of Grand Rapids, where we thought it would be. 13 weather ball, though, is blinking bright. We have more rain in sight for your Saturday. It's also blue, cooler weather in view, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Temperatures tonight will fall out of the mid and upper 50s into the upper 40s, a little milder than last night. We'll climb up to around 60 here tomorrow. In some cases that's warmer, some cases that's cooler than today, and you can see by around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon we'll start to see some of that rain move in. Tonight's light rain will end here in a few hours as that weakening low heads off to the northeast. This is a big, powerful low, just a very broad low pressure system that's going to kind of hang around for much of the weekend. There goes the rain this evening, and tomorrow morning you'll be able to get out and about and do whatever you need to do, but by afternoon the rain moves back in, and then we'll get a little bit of a break here Saturday evening. More rain and persistent rain for Saturday night into Sunday, Sunday into Monday, where there'll be some snow mixing in, especially across the UP. And then finally, by late in the day Tuesday, we'll see that rain come to an end. We're not talking about a lot of rain initially. Most of it will come again toward Saturday night, all the way through Tuesday. We could end up with 3/4 to an inch here in West Michigan, 1 to 2 inches of precipitation in the UP. But half of that's going to be in the form of snow. The poor UPers are going to be seeing anywhere from 6 to maybe as much as 2 feet of snow out of this. Not here, but we will see snowflakes on Monday. 61 here tomorrow. I know that's a couple of degrees warmer here in Grand Rapids, but cooler along the lakeshore. Certainly cooler on Sunday as we hit the upper 40s. And look at this, on Monday, one of our cooler starts to the month of May. Only 43 for a high. Looking farther ahead, some of that colder air starting to march a little bit further east. From May 4th through 8th, though, we're going to still be cooler than our average highs of the mid-60s, but at least we're going to start to be dry, and you'll see that in the 10-day forecast coming up. Forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy skies. We'll get a few breaks later on, upper 30s to around 40 degrees. Northern part of our viewing area, you'll see that light rain gradually move to the east here in the next several hours. Overnight lows around 40 to 43, and similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. From about Ionia, maybe to Grand Rapids, south and east, early the rain, and then it becomes mostly cloudy, low and mid-40s. 13 on your side forecast. Let's all stay home on Monday. How about that? Mid-40s on Monday and Tuesday. Very windy. Rain and snow mix Monday, Tuesday. At least the rain will be done in the morning. And then here we go. That extended dry period will climb into the 50s Wednesday. Finally, 60s Thursday, including the following weekend. So far in Grand Rapids, we've seen just a few sprinkles this afternoon, but most of the rain right now to the east. Will it stay that way? 13 weather ball is blinking bright. That rain will move out tonight. More rain, though, moving in for your Saturday. It's also blue, some cooler weather in view by the end of the weekend. And this view is sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Introducing Buddy. Yep, I've got that same look. Where did my sunshine go? Renee, it should be a dry evening, especially if you're west of Grand Rapids. 50s this evening for a green paw, and a green paw in the morning for Buddy. Upper 40s, so milder than the last couple of days. Where the solar energy farms, there's going to be a break between the showers tomorrow, so perhaps a little bit more sunshine than today. Wind will be up a little bit, but not strong like it will be on Monday. Monday, wow, I think it's going to be kind of a stay-at-home day. Got one low pressure system that's brought the light rain up into our area. That's going to exit to the east, and this is the next low that's going to hang around probably through Tuesday. You can see that light rain ending this evening. This is Saturday morning. Going to start the day dry, get out, do your grocery shopping, maybe even a little bit of yard work, but the rain is going to move quickly in during the afternoon. Might get a little bit of a break overnight Saturday night, but Sunday the showers roll on in, and this weather pattern is going to stick around, including some wind and snow on Monday mixed with the rain, and then the rain sticks around on Tuesday before it finally moves on out. I think we've got an extended period of dry weather coming in. Rain, most of this will come Saturday night through Tuesday morning. Some areas could see 3/4 of an inch, some areas over an inch, especially north and west of Grand Rapids. Look at what's going on here in the western UP. That's a lot of rain, but it does mean it's also a lot of snow. Unbelievable. Winter hangs on up there. Maybe they'll reopen the ski resorts for a time. For us, though, finally, we're getting out of the cool weather pattern. Near average temperatures from May 6th through the 12th. Average highs at that time will be in the mid and upper 60s. Higher chance that we'll have less precipitation also during that 7-day period. Tonight, looking at mostly cloudy skies here with overnight lows around 40. Rain will end this evening, low 40s here up north, and in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll be in the low and mid 40s. Evening rain will move out here in a couple of hours. 13 on your side forecast. Monday will be very windy with that snow and rain, none accumulating here in Grand Rapids, but melting, and that will end on Tuesday morning. And here we go. We'll be in the 50s then on Wednesday and 60s Thursday through the following weekend. So far today, we've dodged most of the rain here in Grand Rapids and west. It's been raining on and off to the east, and we have more of that kind of weather coming our way this weekend. 13 weather ball blinking bright for that tonight, and it's blue. By the end of the weekend, cooler weather in view, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Where it is drier, little less cloud cover. Top honors go to Ludington at 67 today. Yay! 57 here in Grand Rapids, low 50s further to the east. We almost got to our average high today. We were within 1 degree of our forecast high. We've done that like 4 days in a row, but we've been within 3 degrees of our target forecast 17 days in a row. First of 2 low pressure systems, one coming up from the south. This is the same storm that brought severe weather to Texas. We've got just a little bit of light rain as that is weakening. This low pressure system is going to be the apparent one for later on tomorrow afternoon. Tonight, the light rain is going to end. We're going to have several hours where it will not be raining, but by tomorrow afternoon, this is 2 o'clock, you see the rain moving on through. It'll soak everyone throughout the afternoon tomorrow, and then we get a little bit of a break. And then on and off showers on Sunday, cooler weather settling in, some rain and snow on Monday, strong winds, not a very nice day. And then on Tuesday, we'll still see some rain showers, mainly rain showers, and then that will finally move on out. We've got some much better weather on the way. Rainfall between now and a Saturday evening, not a lot, even over toward the eastern part of the state, but most of our rain will come on Sunday, Monday into Tuesday. 3/4 of an inch to maybe over an inch along the lakeshore. There will be some snow. A lot of that will be melting, but there might be a little bit of accumulation up here in Oceana County on Monday and northward up through the Traverse City area, but really not here in Grand Rapids. Every Friday, we get that week 3 and 4 temperature outlook. This is encouraging from the 13th through the 26th. High chances that we will return to warmer than average temperatures, and there's a high chance we'll have less rainfall also during that 2-week period. I think we deserve it. We need warm and dry. Forecast for tomorrow, we'll see the showers roll in during the afternoon, mid-50s. That's cooler than today along the lakeshore. Up north, you can expect temperatures right around 60, about where you were today, maybe a little bit cooler. Afternoon rain moving on in, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer than it were today, but definitely cooler by Sunday. Low and mid 60s before that afternoon rain moves through. 13 on your side forecast. Really not great weather. Very windy, rain, snow Monday, ending Tuesday morning. We'll climb back into the 50s Wednesday, and then finally low and mid 60s starting Thursday through the following weekend with some dry weather.